Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe so that you do not miss any of my upcoming videos. Today I am making a Christmas card. For this I have taken an A4 paper which I have folded into half. Then take a red color paper and glue this inside the card as shown. Next I have taken a green color paper and I have cut squares using the dimensions as shown here. We are going to use these square pieces to make a 3D Christmas tree. So let's see how to go about it. First take one square piece, fold as shown. In the same way fold the remaining pieces and glue them together. Now glue this to the card. Now take brown paper, fold as shown. And glue this to the card as well. Now to make a small star, I have used a yellow color glitter sheet. Draw a small star here and cut along the outline. We can now glue this to the card as well. Now apply glue all around the card as shown. And I am going to stick small thermocol balls here. Finally, the front part of the card is now ready. You can see how beautiful and cute this is looking. You can now write whatever message you want inside the card. Here I am writing Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So I hope you all liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.